Welcome back to the series. Today we're going to go over helpful tips to make sure your engine starts the first time. So common things to make your engine not start, things that I've experienced myself, like the VAT's not getting properly deleted, the transmission range selector isn't reading, or the transmission, you may be starting it before your shifter's even hooked up. Make sure that thing is in park. Make sure your transmission connector is fully plugged in and locked. Those will definitely make it not even crank. If you didn't get your starter signal hooked up to your key, that one will make a no start. Ground wires being off will make it if your engine is cranking but not firing. Those are common to not have all the grounds on the back of the cylinder heads. A lot of times those get left off just because they're kind of out of sight. Fuel lines are backwards. We've seen the regulators get plumbed backwards. You key on your vehicle and you hear the fuel pump going, you may think, oh, I've got fuel. Keep that in mind. You may have got the regulator backwards and you're not getting any fuel at all to the rail. One way to check that is run a fuel pressure gauge on the rail. You definitely want to make sure that the fuel pump is coming on. The ECMs, sometimes the factory computers are bad about not sending the signal to kick on the fuel pump. If that's the case, just check your wiring, make sure everything's in place there. Make sure that when you key it forward, you do hear the pump run. You should hear that come up and pressure up the fuel rail. If you mix the banks of your ignition coil plugs, that main harness, if you get those on the wrong side, definitely make a no start. Make sure your battery is plenty charged, because if the voltage is too low, it'll crank, but it won't fire. So you need enough voltage, so make sure you keep the battery on a charger. That way, when you're ready to crank it, you've got enough power. Have the brake booster line off, so you have that big vacuum leak in your intake. That could also make it not start. If you have the wrong injector size selected in your tune, that'll definitely make a no start situation, or if you have the wrong tune even selected. Hopefully these tips helped you get your car started the first time, so you don't have to throw tools across the shop in frustration when this thing doesn't start. We're always a phone call away. We'd love to help you on your build, so call us today and max your swap with ICT.